Hi, community of practice attendees. How are you? Hopefully you all are doing well. You made it to the end. Thank you for taking the time to go through my module. My module is called Say What? Understanding what a text says and does. And I've been using this for a few years, and for some of you, you may be familiar with this already. For others, it may be completely new. But if you're looking for a way to kind of zhuzh up your classroom discussions, either in small groups or as a large class, this strategy or technique does help with that. And as you can tell from my intro and my, meet your presenter, I teach both reading and English. So I came to this from a reading perspective, but English instructors have been doing this for years. Basically, there's more than one way to read a text and discuss it. And that's what this module will help you do. And to teach your students and give them the vocabulary to do that. We're going to start off with these levels of comprehension, which just goes to show your students that you will not read all your topics or all your subject matter in your classes the same way. And then we go into this handout on how to read a text, what a text says, does, and means. And for our purposes, we're going to focus mainly on what a text does. I do have a handout to give the students the vocabulary they need to talk about the moves that an author makes. And then I give you some visual examples. Then we move into a sample reading that I'd use for my classes and a video when you've read. It's a really short article and a short video. When you read and watch these, then you'll do a really brief Padlet. So hopefully you enjoy this and find it helpful and something that you can use in your own classes. So have fun.